Abusha me cha cha bi so bi out se abuso for na ja bi faculty you fact media cause catch up the Yewura Chami Kofi Adu contest for deputy organizer emre so na tuan na si anyi for what atimetem kwakwa to aba ye to aba na Yewura Chami Kofi Adu na me deputy organizer ema NDC amanyoku papa no what atimetem na abusha ye kwa ya atam to straight abusha ye nyina ye nim te South Africa ehwo nya bete na de akọ to South Africa na no odem ye nyina ye nim na say na South Africa for them obi ankoli krom so ya Ghana oye Switzerland oye Zimbabwe oye Rwanda oye Cote d'Ivoire oye Burkina Faso se Nigeria obi ankoli krom obi here obi awo krom o ire dem osem foreigners na ababeju omunuma afa ya busha ne ebare sano Yewura Dwandra mani Mahama Srem se jata oni ya papa Okudoto Ablakwa the foreign minister omoka omotuma bomu ekosisa Ghana for bebre as I'm talking to now Ghana for yakoyi omafri South Africa edo maba Ghana kwaye more than 1500 na still na ebida so wa omenya member durufie and now so the last day 30th July 2026 South Africa for kase say omuhia any foreigner so free Zimbabwe o free Ghana so free Burkina o free Nigeria so free Chad so free Togo omenya shaope omono munga mu ada so mbeku ato atwene ana so mbesese opata enam de santi ena ukopie wo South Africa enye fedi agro me the video re ba be kirew na wo de akọ to South Africa enye betesa South Africa for they say twa mo nsoro mu kra say emra ye bo World Cup no Africa nyina ekutia omo amazesi amene mu kase South Africa free World Cup South Africa free ma players na kwa wo mosua kwa koduru fie enti ena abufu show wa South Africa na obusua me the video ni kirewa ebe je onsa me the video ni ba be kiremo na ye video ni wi a na fe advice any Ghana embassy wa South Africa omo ensem omo de aba beto abonte no ye de aba beto mo me yakore videos any demonstrations upon demonstrations chaos upon chaos ekos wa South Africa no mo me video no mra ye video no wi a na fe ya toaso na ne owo no yaka e de a kiremo.
Welcome to Joe Fact Media.
South Africa, look at what ANC has done to our country. Look at this chaos. Look at these people. These people are running away from home affairs. Look at the number of people that are running in comparison to the people who are not afraid, like South Africans. Look, the people who are running are more than the people who are standing there. This is the chaos that ANC has done to our country. DA as well is involved now because they are in charge of borders at the moment. So they also have a part to play. Look, this is what ANC has done to our country. There's no country like this in the whole world. There's no country like this where people are running like this. Millions and millions of people running whilst local people are unemployed. Whilst local people don't have jobs and you have millions and millions of people, it's even unsafe for us. How safe are we having millions and millions of people that we don't even know who they are, where they come from? If this continues, what does it mean for our children? If this continues, if we let this continue, what does it mean for our children? What kind of a country are we going to leave for the future generations who will come behind us? Because we inherited a country that had been left to us by the people before us, based on what they allowed and what they let happen. Is the South Africa we adopted, we inherited. And if we continue to allow this to happen, what kind of a South Africa are we going to leave for our children? We really need to think about this and do something about it. If you are still voting for ANC, you are voting for more of this, because more and more of these people are coming. It's not even as bad as it's gonna be if it continues with ANC. What kind of a chaos is this? What kind of a chaotic environment is this, really? What kind of a country are we going to live for our children if this continues like this? Because this is just not sustainable. There's nothing like this. What kind of a chaotic environment It's like you leave your house open and you just sleeping with your children and the door is wide open and you expect to wake up and find furniture in there. It's crazy.
South Africa na uwu sano. She nipa pa apuagu street so ekita nkontimba ekita sekan atuo agyan ene na sefo adentia omunua na ma omunso ya Africans abo omukrom eba be bidwa eba be bobra omunyia omo ewo omukrom adan a omse mrantie na efiri ada countries abo omo omojeje omo guess ejeje omunuma ni ade ena the one world ewiase na nso nim se ewiase na pe emema omo pa aduma South Africa mema omo pay ya nije everyday pap omo pay aduma enti se Ghana mrantie Nigeria mrantie Burkina Togo mrantie kopem wa omo ya aduma den ana mema omo ya aduma den bi anso ya na emma promo o de mo so obe ya aduma discover fie enti ama na okwa South Africa man most of them omo fall in love with the foreigners. Where anama omo guasa omo chomwase omo president owo ana wakone ama boy for sa what do you call it xenophobia sasa one for omo come trouble no so omo di foreigners nani enti abusia Ghana embassy in South Africa say the ambassador to South Africa on the embassy ni na say kan kire Ghana for ni na am South Africa say stay indoor. You people to stay indoor. Baby, I will stay indoor. Shedem mempie. Oh, South Africa, Shedem mempie. Ghana near South Africa. Ghana for the insokro. Moti se bibi bapa na mo kwa kushiano. And then you say, oh, South Africa, Shedem. Ghana mempie. Oh, they are now one mempie freedom. Na pie freedom. Na no kwa for takrata. Omo kwa twakere. Ya ka sama ya butie. And then who South Africa now you Ghana near men go social media and can make any comment. Of course social media can make any comment. And South Africa you know hello who you know me say na ko TikTok they will trace you. They say Ghana no say the Ghana say ya no. Wo she baby na wo ya dia. Ya meti me attract you. Ya be track ya ba be hu. E ti say wo them now you so go TikTok na say for go YouTube. Akwa ko complaining dey akoso a. O be track ya ba be hu baby a wo share. They will discipline you. Nti baby obi ahyawo se ko na be ya ko na ka kire Ghana embassy in South Africa say oha na mo hye na mo wo kire mo mra me ya momwa obi be ba ya momwa ba be yimo free hormo na ko ye hwehwe animu moti de wo bi o fuma na wa to kwa obi hu no be you pia boti a ye be ko ato atwene mo hwe na mo ma anko school ne because e net fi say the South Africa for me asi abre no say wo video na me ato no wo hyedem ma mo frefre me kase na na dia fi mo kasa na aban ne tro mo meyi emfiri amane we mu no mo hyehyɛ dem most of them emu bi mo so aban ba ye so ba be fam no mo se mo man na mo ma kina se si pressure na ma to on nu a mo pefi aba to si adogo na more than 1500 aban na kwa kofo ma ba ya ma bi mu sika ya ma bi mu nnuma ya pe ba bia ma bi mu ada nti ade nti na wo ma okrom na wo hye obi kro so eda so di oda so ya kwa e wo bi krom. Etiana, they are cause of South Africa. No? I'm telling Ghanaians, say, baby, I'm sure be a shower, then I won't play because me the street natural. We shall them out, Obenya and a video are there. We shall them out, Obenya and a me Kata Mika, Obenya because most of the platforms no more. So, Mube wouldn't have one in the eba. Bibi, I'm one chatty a back door. Now I'm saying chatting pennies for back door, no more than Maya. Shana one pie, nyatwa bin ko pie. Na South Africa for no me Jimmy. Wuti wiase you know promo me Jimmy o me nyansa South Africa for. O ma gini mo ha. O mu be fi se MTN yo mo dia. What I say? O mu be fi se EcoBank yo mo dia. O mu be fi se Shoprite ahodo wa Ghana ha yo mo dia. O mu be fi se Edetrada je pa. Ye be pa mo nyina. E mo shops no bibia aka. O mu be fi se most of the mice companies are Ghana na yo mo dia. Omo fi say yen na etimi mo nya bibi e won kai because South Africa for no president ni na Jimmy no go so e wi ase nyina o president e wa Jimmy a South Africa president na me hwe say ye be program bi wo Ghana na ya ka say president nyina mra na me hwe so be bia oba be to Ghana for e wo airport o be hu nsema Ghana for be ka kire no enti ye de ya kan ya ka kire mo say Sesia na Ghana atone chem sisi nya agade no wo refie bia na wo investigate na mo ya South Africa fo a ka wo gu nsuo no na nsuo no fo mo nko na mfaso bia ni wo so mo rescue amanfo e wo nsuyiri a akos wa Accra as I'm talking to na nipa 9 ewu no mo refie bi mo na mo nyina South Africa fo a mo ko mo nyina gu nsuo no na nsuo no nko mo because o mo so ni mfaso Hydrofact Media, subscribe, like, share, and follow. Notification bell for top so say any update. You are gonna be the first person to have it. Abusia Makramo.
Welcome to Jofact Media. Hear it loud and clear. Breaking news. Truth is what we hold dear. Ghana's newest voice, rising to the top. With facts we confirm, no chance we flop. Headlines, analysis, real